The Vishnu Purana shows that divine intervention is surgical and specific. Two of the clearest examples are Narasimha and Vamana. These avatars are not general saviors. They are precise instruments that correct particular distortions in cosmic order. In this episode, we examine both forms and what each teaches. We begin with Narasimha. The story begins with a crisis of tyranny and perverted power. Hiranyakashipu gains a boon from Brahma that makes him nearly invincible. He cannot be killed by man, beast, day, night, indoors, outdoors, on land, in the sky, by weapon, and so on. With this seeming immunity, he becomes a brutal despot who claims the right to be worshipped. His son Prahlada, however, remains devoted to Vishnu. Prahlada's unshakable devotion threatens Hiranyakashipu's claim to absolute authority. The solution in the Purana is startling in its logic. Vishnu incarnates as Narasimha, a being who is neither man nor beast. The form appears at twilight, a moment that is neither day nor night. Narasimha places Hiranyakashipu on the threshold of a courtyard, neither indoors nor outdoors. He kills the tyrant with his claws, which are not conventional weapons. Every loophole in the boon is used to restore justice. What is the meaning? Narasimha represents the direct overthrow of arrogant power. The avatar is an expression of corrective force that refuses to be tricked by legal evasions or the language of privilege. Symbolically, Narasimha attacks the center of identity that claims divinity for itself. In personal terms, the form expresses how raw devotion can dismantle an inflated ego. The Purana teaches that when law and form are perverted, an unmediated energy may be necessary to reset the moral field. Next, we examine Vamana, the dwarf. The story begins with Bali, the generous Asura king who has conquered the heavens and gained sovereignty. The gods have lost their rightful share. Bali, however, is not merely a tyrant. He is magnanimous and devoted. The problem is imbalance. The cosmic order requires proper measure and sharing. Vishnu appears as Vamana, a dwarf Brahmin. He asks for as much land as he can cover in 3 steps. Bali agrees. Vamana then expands to cosmic dimensions. His first 2 steps cover earth and sky. For the 3rd step, Bali offers his own head, acknowledging the law that generosity must be honored. Vamana places his foot and restores the gods to their position while granting Bali a kingdom in the netherworld for his devotion. What does Vamana teach? This avatar corrects arrogance through measured humility. It is a clever, nonviolent correction. Vamana restores balance without annihilating the generous ruler. The resolution honors both cosmic law and individual virtue. It shows how limits and proportions must be reintroduced when power accumulates in the wrong hands. The Purana presents this as a model of restoration that preserves dignity while re-establishing order. Look at these two together. Narasimha is decisive force that breaks a corrupted center. Vamana is measured correction that reorders distribution and measure. Both are interventions that respect context and meet the precise structural failure they are meant to fix. Why does the Purana present avatars in such targeted ways? The theological point is clear. The divine does not merely rescue. It diagnoses. It chooses a method that matches the failure. Tyranny that pretends to be divine is met by a form that cannot be categorized. Excessive accumulation is corrected by a measure that exposes limits. This is the Purana's lesson about ethics and leadership. Finally, a practical note. Reading these stories as technical corrections changes how we apply them. They are not only historical myths. They are templates for addressing modern problems of unjust power and corrupted generosity. Narasimha asks us to question sinners that claim absolute right. Vamana asks us to restore proportion and to honor generosity without allowing it to destroy balance. Next episode, we continue the Avatar study with Parshurama and Rama examining how the Purana presents militant correction and ideal rulership.